In last class, we discussed up to question number 2 in exercise number 1.4. You observe this question number 3, what they are asking. Consider the binary operation. The symbol is given. The symbol, binary operation, the symbol on the set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is defined by A star B. In place of star, this operation is given. A star B is minimum of A comma B. Actually, in all the problems we'll say star. What is star? Generally, the operation star means it may be addition or subtraction or multiplication or division or combination of these things. Here, in place of star, they given this symbol. I'll read it as star. A star B is defined as minimum of A comma B. Write the operation table of the following operation star. This is like star. Okay. What they are saying, this is a binary operation on the set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is what they given. And A star B is defined as minimum of A comma B. What they are asking, write the operation table for this operation, right? Instead of star, they given this. You can take it, you just like and symbol in statements we saw that and symbol, na, it is like that. I'll just it is nothing but an operation star. Okay. Now you see they given on the set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Na? First what I write, I'll write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here also I'll write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now this operation between these two elements. See here 1 star 1. 1 star 1. What is the minimum of 1 and 1? Is 1. That's why I written 1 here. Now 1 star 2. 1 star 2. What is the minimum of 1 comma 2? What is the minimum value of 1 and 2? 1. That's why I written 1. Now 1 star 3. What is the minimum of 1 and 3? Minimum of 1 and 3 is 1. Okay. Now minimum of 1 and 4. What is the minimum of 1 and 4? Minimum of 1 and 4 is 1. Okay. Now minimum of 1 and 5 is 1. I hope you are understanding. Similarly, minimum of 2 and 1. What is the minimum value of 2 and 1? Minimum value of 2 and 1 is 1 only. What is the minimum value of 2 star 2? Minimum value of 2 star 2. Minimum of 2 comma 2 means 2 only we'll write. I hope you understand this. Minimum of 2 comma 2 means 2. Minimum of 3 comma 3 means 3. Right. Minimum of 2 star 3. In these two, what is the minimum value? 2. Minimum of 2 star 4. Minimum of 2 star 4 is 2 only. Minimum of 2 star 5. In 2 and 5, what is the minimum value? Minimum value is 2 only. Like that. 3 star 1 is what? 1. 3 star 2. Minimum is what? 2. 3 star 3. In this minimum is what? 3 only. 3 star 4. In this minimum is what? Minimum is 3 only. 3 star 5. In this minimum is what? 3 only. Like that. You take, suppose you take this one. 5 star 3. What is the minimum of 5 and 3? 3. Like that, we will write this binary operation table, this operation table for this operation. They are given that A star B is minimum of A comma B. They are asking to write the operation table. So this is the operation table. I hope you understand this. Now you observe this question number 4. Consider a binary operation star on the set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 given by following multiplication table. You see here they given a table here, table 1.2 they given. What they are asking, they given here 3 bits given. Okay, use the following table to calculate these things. Okay, you observe first one, 2 star 3 star 4. 2 star 3 star 4 we need to calculate. 2 star 3, 2 star 3. What is 2 star 3 as per the table? This table already given in the question. 2 star 3 is what? 2 star 3 is what? Corresponding value 2 star 3 is 1. So here I written 1. Okay. 1 star 4. This remaining 4 is there, no? That I written. Now I need 1 star 4. That value I need to tell from the table. 1 star 4. 1 star 4 is what? 1 star 4 is 1. So I written 1 here. I hope you understand. So 2 star 3 star 4 is 1. Now 2 star 3 star 4. See here. 2 star 3 star 4. First, I'll calculate this 3 star 4, what is there in brackets. 3 star 4, you observe the table, 3 star 4. 3 star 4 is what? 3 star 4 is 1. So I written 1 here. Now 2 star 1, here 3 star 4 is 1. See here, 2 star 1. Okay, 2 star 1 from the table. 2 star 1. 2 star 1 is what? 2 star 1 is 1 only. That is what I written. So they are asking to compute these values. I got that both values as 1. Now, A star is commutative. What is commutative law? We know that A star B is same as B star A, then we say it is commutative. But here so many elements are there. 1 star 1, 1 star 1, 1 star 2, 2 star 1, 2 star 3, 3 star 2, 2 star 4, 4 star 2, like that. No need to check all the elements. Simple technique is there here. For this table, you observe only this part. In this part, you consider the diagonal. See, diagonal elements. See, you observe what are these? These are the diagonal elements. You observe this table is symmetrical about its diagonal or not. This is the diagonal. You observe this table is symmetrical about its diagonal or not. Symmetrical means what? You see here 1, 1, 1, 1. Here also you see 1, 1, 1, 1. Symmetrical now? Now you see 1, 2, 1. You see here 1, 2, 1. Now you see 1, 1, 1, 1. See here 1, 1. This table is symmetrical about this diagonal or not? You observe this part. This table is symmetrical about its diagonal or not? Yes, this table is symmetrical about its diagonal. Symmetrical means how this part is, this side part. This part is also same like that. So, what I written here, binary operation table is symmetrical about its diagonal. Therefore, star is commutative. So, in coming problems, you will come to know these things very clearly, right? Now, you see third bit, what they are asking, compute 2 star 3 star 4 star 5. 2 star 3 star 4 star 5. Okay, 2 star 3. 2 star 3. What is 2 star 3? 2 star 3 is 1. So that is what I written. 1 star. Next 4 star 5. What is 4 star 5? 4 star 5 is 1. Look here. 4 star 5 is 1. I written 1. Now I need to calculate 1 star 1. First this bracket value I calculated. Now 1 star 1 from the table. 1 star 1. What is 1 star 1? 1 star 1 is 1 only. Right? So we got this value as 1. See, in this problem they given the table. We need to use the table. By using the table we need to find these 3 bits. Fifth question. It's similar to this third question, fourth question type only. I want you to try that problem your own. So in this class we learn 3 problems. Third question, fourth question, fifth question. I hope you understand these problems.